from EY2KP. Today I'm going to play sound effect. First is an ambulance sound. This is the ambulance sound. And next is the motorcycle sound. This is a motorcycle sound. Next is the pig sound. This is a pig sound. Next is the easy peasy one, a mouse sound. I hope you can do it. This is the mouse sound. And next one is last, the racing car sound. Thank you for watching. Bye.